So we looked at getting the pictures from the camera card into the computer, and that gave us a little bit of a challenge. If we just have a look at what happened, let's open up where we put them. We put them in a folder in the C drive. We went to users, and then when we'd opened users, we picked my name, John. We picked the folder that my files go into, and down here there's a folder called pictures, and if you remember, we put them then in a folder called Surface Demo. Let's get down to that, put it somewhere where we can see it, and open it up. And we'll see straight away that one of the problems with this is that we've got all the pictures in the same place. And if we've got a set of holiday photographs or something like that, we really don't want it to be so. We want to be able to get them where we can see them and see them easily and individually. Now I'm opening up this window on the folder here because I just want to be absolutely sure what sort of pictures we've got in here, and you may very well do that if you've got something like a set of holiday photographs. And I can see straight away that this is the collection of pictures that I wanted, but they are all jumbled together, and if I want to email or something like that from here, it's going to be extremely difficult to find the one that I want. So what I'm going to do is to open up another window on the same folder. So let's go into we go into the computer. Let's just move that over a bit so we can get some equivalent space over here. I don't need quite as much space in this little folder on the left as I do in the one on the right, because I'm going to select from the one on the right, and I need to be sure that I'm getting the pictures that I want. On the left, I'm just going to need to see the folder, so I can drag and drop into that. So here we go again. See, users, John, and I come down to pictures, and we're going to Surface Demo. Let's just see where that is. Now I don't want to put them in the same folder. I don't want to put them in exactly Surface Demo. They're already in there. So what I'm going to do is to make another folder, and I choose to do that. I'll make a new folder and I'll call it Surface Demo 2, and then alphabetically it'll be very close to the other one in this list, and that means it's easy for me to find things if I need to find them on another occasion. So there we are, Surface Demo 2, and if we open it up, no surprise, it's absolutely empty. Now I don't want to just put pictures in here because that'll give me the same problem that I've got on the other folder. I want to put pictures in separate folders. So I'm going to make a number of folders here, and I've started by making one called Trumpets. I'm going to put the trumpet pictures in there, make another one. See, I've just made a new folder, and simply, as Paul always tells us, when it's white writing on blue, you just type over it. This one's called Setting Up. Another new folder. This one's called Sound Desk. Got some pictures where the recording was actually controlled. We'll put those in there. Another new folder. This one's for the singer, Matt Ford, and I could go on doing this for as many different categories of pictures that I've got. So now I've come over to my folder on the right, and I've had a look. I want to see a bit more of the picture, so I've changed the orientation of the picture. I've changed the size of the thumbnail so I can pick up 4 or 5 at a time and just drag them across. And here we go, dragging a set 5 pictures into the trumpets folder, and that's actually moved them. That's not a copy, that has moved them from my original folder into the new folder in Surface Demo 2. Now I've got a set of pictures here that relate to the sound desk, and I can pick those up and move them across. That's 14 pictures all moved at once. and there I can see some pictures of Matt Ford, the singer, so I can pick those up. Notice, click the first one, hold the control key down and click the last one. That takes the set for you. Copy over the 5 pictures. Now we've got some pictures of the work that went into setting up. Let's take those, drag them across, just keep the left hand mouse key down as you drag, and then they go into the appropriate folder. So it's quite simple to do this, and the benefit is that you're able to get and find the pictures that you want to find when you want to find them. Still working on folders over here. I noticed some of the pictures are just sort of miscellaneous pictures. There's some nice pictures of microphones there. I picked 2 of those up and put them in. Let's see what else we can find. There's another miscellaneous one. Have a quick look down here, see what else we got. Okay, there's a nice picture there of a trumpet. Let's pick that up and put it in trumpets. Although, actually, I'm already beginning to wonder if that's where it belongs. Another miscellaneous picture. If I didn't want to leave that one in the trumpets folder, I'll show you how to do that. But first of all, let's just check that I've got what I said I got. There's the pictures of the singer. Now, I use the little white arrow on the blue circle to take me from that folder back to seeing all the other folders. And I do that each time. Here's the miscellaneous pictures and pictures of setting up. Okay, and I'll go back up to click the. We just have a look at one of these. Yep, you can see in detail there that this is the preparatory stage of the recording, so the picture is in the right place. Go back, but I am going to move this picture of the trumpet out of here. You see, it's just a picture of a trumpet. It's not a trumpet player, so I'm going to move it out and put it in the miscellaneous folder. It's very easily done. Slightly different from what we've done before though, because I'm going to cut it, not copy it. I don't want it in 2 places. So the first thing I do then is drag that right hand click to show the menu and select cut. And now I want to open up the miscellaneous folder and right hand click and then paste. And that's actually taken it from the other folder and put it in this one. It only exists in one place. We're not going to end up with loads of duplication if we do it like this. So there we are. That's the overall picture for you. Really, if everything is downloaded into a single folder, it's not a problem. Make some more and drag the appropriate folders, the appropriate pictures into folders with appropriate names on so that you can find them at times when you need them.